Yeah, good day, guys. So we are starting with Vray. Let me introduce you first. Vray is a plug. It's, it's a rendering plug. You can plug it on your Revit and other designs, architectural design software. You know, like uh, uh, what do they call this software? SketchUp and the rest. But I don't think it's possible with ArchiCAD. I've tried it and it's not possible. So I think there are some you can't attach it with. So you can attach it. This is it. This is if you look at the top of my this is a VRAM. It's a plug, It's a rendering plug. It makes your rendering more realistic than when you render your work on Revit alone. But VRAY, we don't use VRAY to produce video. That's the difference of VRAY with Lumia. So, and why we also advise people to use VRAY is any laptop or system that is able to run Revit can be able to run VRAY. Unlike Lumion need a higher grade laptop, with more graphic card. But in VRAY, even if you have just one graphic card or you don't even have graphic card, you can use VRAY to render your work. So let's get started. This is VRAY. If you want to render this work, don't mind that my work is not completed yet. You can still learn that VRAY or learn whatever you want to learn on VRAY. You click to Revit. When you click to Revit, you can see that all these places are not showing clearly. It means it is not active. That is how it is. In some laptop, immediately you click to it, so this thing should be active. Let's say enable VRAY. Enable VRAY. That is the first thing you do when you click to VRAY. To say enable VRAY, you click on it and you wait for it to come up. Yeah. So let's be patient and wait for it. So you can see it has come up. You can see it has come. Immediately you said enable VRAY, your VRAY will come up. It will come up for actions, to make for you to make use of it. So in this VRAY, if you want to render anything here in this VRAY, you have to snap from your Revit to get your view just like this. To get your view just like this. This is view one. This is view. This is a view. This is the view. As you can see, when you click to this view, you can see that the VRAY looks like it is not active again. But this kind of it doesn't happen like this in every laptop. It depends on your laptop anyway. In case of if you have the other one that when you click on your view, you will see you will still be the VRAY will still be active. But in this kind of my laptop, it just depends. It has nothing different. You can still render with it. With this kind of my laptop, immediately you click the view, it looks like the VRAY it won't be in action except when you go to 3D, the proper 3D. When you go to the proper 3D, then you can see it is active. So some laptop don't function like this, while some function like this. So in VRAY, we have so many things here. You can see the current view. If you want to render whatever view you want to render from whatever view you view in your Revit, whatever view you want to render, this is where you go. You see, if you want to render this view 5, you just go here and click on view 5. When you click on view 5, whatever setting you do here, it will only it will only show the rendering of that view 5. If it is view 4 you want to, if it is this view 4 you want to, you still go back to your 3D and go here and click view 4. Now whatever setting you get here, whatever setting you set here and render, it will only show that view for this view 4. You show this. It will only render on this, and that is what it will be showing you. But with time, you will understand what I'm saying. So let's go to that Vray. We are still on Vray anyway. We go to 3D. So we go to 3D. So this is another place. This rendering product is where you render your pictures. It depends. I will show you how it works here. This show and hide frame is. I don't really know show and hide frame. We will also see how we can set this. We also have this quality draft. Quality draft, it depends on, you may want to put it on only low. It depends on what you want. But when you put it on high, it will show your work it will be more realistic. So it depends on what you really want to show. Then this resolution, I think it is the size of your work, the dimension and the size of your work. And when you come to artificial light, this is where you can on your lights on your drawing to show in your picture. So we have other lights. Vray sun. This is also the natural sun. You can get the Vray sun, the dome light, and the red. It's also brighten your picture. But with time, we also this access editor is where you get the material of Vray. It's where you get the material of Vray. So, but you first of all set your materials and give it a name in Revit. And when you come to this Vray uh, access editor, you can apply the names. You can apply your pictures according to the names you save on Revit. So that is it. You go to appearance management. Also almost something still about the material, how it appear, exposure value. Something we will show you with time. We will show you how all these stuff work. So thank you, and I think you won't regret learning Vray, especially for those that will not be able to get money for now to buy a graphic card system. It's advisable you use Vray. Or if you are in a hurry and you just want to produce a picture, not a video, a realistic picture of your work, you can also use Vray to do that. Thank you so much. So this is also setting. This is where you start your work from. It's a general setting of everything you want to do. Here you can come here, you set everything you want to set, you set it. This is where you can start your work. But for now, we will end it here. In our second lecture, we will start teaching you how to use all this step by step to get to the final stage. Thank you for that.